Hello! So I'm off to the grocery store and I of course have my reusables with me. They just live in the trunk. But today is everyone's lucky day because I have accumulated enough plastic to recycle it, and I wanted to show y'all how easy it is. I recycle all my plastic bags at the grocery store where I go on a regular basis. They have a drop-off location there, and here you can see right there. We obviously try not to have plastic and bring it into our house, but alas, no one is perfect, so we do get plastic from time to time, and I just let it accumulate so that when I go to the grocery store, I can take it. To give you some examples, gum wrapper. I did try a little burrito and it had a plastic wrapper. Random bags, we got something shipped to us and it had these plastic poofs. So yeah, just random plastic that ends up in our home. I put it together, let it accumulate, and then when I go to the grocery store, I recycle it there. Lots of drop-off locations around the United States, and there's a tool that you can use to find them, and we will put it in the link. But I wanted to show y'all how easy it was to do it. So in the 5 minutes it took me to get to the grocery store, it started pouring down. So great for our water table, not awesome for the video. The new iPhones are water resistant, right? Let's do this. A little country music. Love me some country. Okay, it's a freaking monsoon outside, but we're in. So this is where you come and recycle your bags. Oops, I'm making a mess. And it looks like I'm not the only one using it, which is awesome. Oh, I have one more to pick up. See? Place your plastic bags here. It's great. I love that they do this. Everyone's crowding out. No one wants to walk in the rain. Woohoo! Plastic bags recycled. Off we go. Here are my reusables, ready to go. I'm driving home and I'm stuck in traffic. Don't tell my mom I'm making this video. We're at a standstill, honestly. It's pretty sad. My one last thought is, y'all, recycle plastic bags only at this location. This is not your curbside recycling. No need to put your water bottles and everything else in there. Newspapers, no. The sign says plastic bags. So only put plastic bags, please. On the way out of the grocery store, I did indeed see a couple of water bottles in there. Anyways, we're moving, so I gotta go. Bye. Only plastic bags, go recycle them. Yay.